Today let's prepare chicken drumstick pepper roast. So to make this I've taken around 5 drumsticks. So first we have to put some slashes on it and apply salt and set aside for 30 minutes. Heat coconut oil in a pan. Add dried red chilies, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, and fry the spices for a minute. Then add chopped onion, garlic, ginger, and saute for around 4 minutes. Then add coriander powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Saute for a minute. Remove it in a bowl and cool it. Once it's cooled, grind it into a smooth paste using residual water. Heat oil in a pan. Add curry leaves. Then add the chopped onion. And saute it for around 5 minutes. Then add the chopped tomatoes and saute for 2 minutes. Now add the ground masala along with the residual water. Add the chicken drumsticks pieces in the masala, cover the lid and cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove the chicken pieces separately in a plate and cook the gravy till it becomes thick. Then add the black pepper powder and mix well. Finally, add the chicken pieces back in the masala and coat it nicely with the masala. Your chicken drumstick pepper roast is now ready.